Okay, upkat na bukas! De, joke lang. Halos 1 month pa. Paano mo sasagutan ng isang arithmetic sequence and series problem pagdating sa upkat?
Find the 50th term of the sequence 4, 11, 18, 25, 32 and find its sum from 1st to 50th term. And then, yan yung mga options. So, ang tatandaan mo lang lagi na formula is yung formula na a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus difference times n minus 1. Okay, so since hinahanap is 50th term, magiging a sub 50 equals a1 is yung first term, which is 4, plus ang difference is 11 minus 4, 7, times n minus 1. Ang pinaka-n is yung 50 lang din. So, 50 minus 1. So, meron tayong 4 plus 7 times 49. And then, meron tayong 4 plus 343. So, this is 347. So, this is the 50th term. Pag hinanap mo dito, pasok na kagad siya sa letter C. So, huwag mo nang isolve yung sum. Automatic letter C ang sagot.